Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
चांदी इसका कम सुन.
Are you brushing the right way?
This cake is nice, huh? Wait.
Indian Dental Association recommends using a soft bristle toothbrush circularly at the front, vertically at the back.
Hi guys, welcome to my birthday vlog. So it's a very small birthday party that we are doing. So Melria is here, Trevon is here, Sonu is behind the camera, and Mummy is here. So we only 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.5 people are here. 4.5 people are here. So we're just celebrating a small birthday. So catch you later. So guys, ये क्या मेरे सर पे? कौन लगाया इधर केक? Guys, while cutting the cake, Sonu's head got chopped out, so I've got him on the frame now. And let me tell you, before you ask me what Sonu has gifted me for my birthday, so let me just show you. Wait. So he has gifted me this. I got an iPhone 15 Plus from Sonu, and अभी इसके सामने कुछ ज़्यादा बोलूँगी नहीं मैं. I'll talk to you. Birthday lunch, what we have done is we have ordered chicken tikka biryani. This is Szechuan noodle, and this is veg Manchurian, and then you have the Szechuan. This is a raita, and yeah, that's it. Itna hum, yeah, and that's it. This is going to be our birthday lunch. रात का देखेंगे. Night we don't know what we are going to do. We'll see in the night. Hey guys, I just thought let me just speak to you all after I cut the cake. For this birthday, as I mature in life, I've only asked God that I need His blessings only when it comes to my health, my family's health, and lots of happiness and love. Because, as we age, we realize that, what is important in life is being together and love, happiness, and that's it. This is what you need, and this is what I prayed for my birthday. Well, yes, Sonu has gifted me something which was unexpected. I did not expect it, nor else I even thought I would want to buy iPhone in the future. So the intention of buying the phone was important, or is the reason why I'm talking to you is, so yesterday night at 12 we cut the cake, and as soon as I saw the iPhone I was shocked, and the first thing I asked him as a joke was, कौन सा किडनी बेचा? Left, right? That's what I asked him, because this is something that I did not expect, because I know it's an expensive phone, and I really don't like investing, especially not investing. I really don't like wasting money on phone. Okay, the word I'm using, wasting money on phone, because I'll tell you guys, मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ था last year. It was my new phone, OnePlus का था, and my phone was stolen while I was traveling to work. And मैं जैसे ही बस लेने जा रही थी, मैंने फ़ोन जो है मेरे बैग में रखा था, and by mistakenly, instead of keeping the bag in front of me, I kept it behind, and I climbed the I climbed the stair of the bus, and वहाँ से वो flick हो गया. So okay, उसके बाद जो है ना, I repented a lot, because I know like it's a lot of money when you put on phones, and that's the reason मैंने जो अभी जिससे मैं अभी शूट कर रही हूँ, सैमसंग का फ़ोन लिया था, and just a basic सैमसंग फ़ोन लिया था. And because I was like, yeah, I really don't want to spend so much of money on the phone, because I wanted phone only for two reasons. One was obviously WhatsApp, and another was Outlook, because it was quite helpful for me for my office work. ये यही मोस्ट एक रीज़न था. तो फ़ोन के लिए, फॉर मी फ़ोन वॉज ओनली फॉर दैट, because when it got, so last year when it was stolen off, I was not vlogging, or I wasn't doing anything, nor else I was thinking that I will start vlogging again. But later on, after few months, मैंने start किया था, जो मैं ये फ़ोन से vlog कर रही हूँ. So जब सोनू ने मुझे ये फ़ोन दिया कल, And I told him, why did you spend so much of money? And the only thing what he told me was, your camera quality will be good while you vlog, which means that, you know, he understood, you know, the work that I'm doing is, you know, vlogging is important. He understood that work. And for me as a, you know, person, as a wife, you know, I was very, very, very grateful, you know, that he had this kind of, you know, thought, because it is very difficult, to have that kind of a partner who's going to support you in what you do. So that's the reason, you know, I thought, let me just, you know, tell you that the intention of buying the iPhone was just not like, oh, you know, I want to gift you a phone, or you're my wife, so I just want to just, you know, just take it. No, it was in that way. It was because he somewhere felt that YouTube vlogging is important for me, and he felt the need to get it. So I'm extremely, extremely happy for that, and I was quite emotional also, because um I understand, you know, the pain of work. I understand, you know, there are times even at work, you know, where you know, you're not happy, but still you work because you have a family to take care. So that is something that I was quite emotional about it. But anyways, yeah, it's time to reveal the phone to you. And this is the phone. This is iPhone 15 plus, and I'm just happy, and just grateful to God. That is something that I wanted to share with you. And guys, I don't know, अभी उसके बाद जो है, I'm just going to go out and just spend time with everybody at home. So I might see you tomorrow. I don't think I'm going to vlog now, because just want to spend some time with the family. So I'm going to see you tomorrow. So you guys take care of yourself, and bye bye everybody. And happy birthday to me, and God bless everyone. And treat तो मैं कुछ दे नहीं सकती हूँ आप लोगों को. So I will just you know, tell you that go and have some pastries from my side. Okay, just take care. Bye bye.